Today we're going to talk about how to change hybrids in the middle of a field. All right, so we've planted out what we had in the planner. We're switching hybrids in the middle of the field. In order to do that, it's very simple on Blue Vantage. In the upper right corner, where we of course go to and select our different layers that we're reviewing, when we press on that upper box, we can see, of course, it gives all of our different map layers. Of course, your list over here will be different depending on how the planner is equipped. In my case, everyone, of course, is going to have the hybrid box right here. And we're going to change hybrids. And, of course, the pencil icon next to whatever icon basically allows us to do an edit of that functionality. So I'm going to press the pencil next to hybrid. And it's going to take us to the hybrid list. And as you can see, I have a couple hybrids already in my seed list. If you're changing to, or you made a switch later in the season, you of course can add hybrids to this list from this page by going to our Manage button. Just like we can do earlier if we're preloading hybrids and varieties into the tablet ahead of time. We have our Manage button on the home screen. This basically takes us to the same location where we now can add, in our case, because we're planting corn, another hybrid to the list. Very similar to what we can do in another video where we walk through preloading these. By simply pressing add, you can go ahead and add a new hybrid right from this screen. In our case, we're not going to add another one. We already have the one we're going to use on our list. So if I press our checkbox, we go to our selection, and I'm going to select hybrid 3 is the one I'm changing to. I'm going to hit the checkbox. We take us back to the run screen, and the hybrid is changed. If you want to confirm that that's changed, of course, my display is running through training mode. If I come up here to my map selector, I press my hybrid, and I now can move and see, of course, our hybrid is changed. So very quick and easy to change hybrid in the field when you're in the middle of planting.